How to make money online in 2022 5 best ways. Hi, this is Eric from LaptopLifePro.com, and here are the 5 best ways of making money online in 2022. Number 1. Evaluate websites and provide feedback. Many organizations, especially software firms, are looking for someone to test their websites and provide feedback on how effectively they function. To do this type of work online, all you need is a good laptop, tablet, or mobile device with good internet service. Some internet testing companies may pay up to $10 each test, and you may even be able to earn more. A typical website testing session lasts between 10 and 20 minutes. Even if it appears to be a small bit of money, an extra $10 each day adds up rapidly. The top 10 best high-paying internet testing sites are as follows: User Testing, Userfeel, TryMyUI, WhatUsersDo, Enroll, StartUpLiftTestingTime, Userlytics, UserZoom, Validately. Number 2. Making voiceovers. You could be perplexed as to what voiceovers are. Voiceover is a production technique in which a voice that is not part of the narrative is utilized in a radio, television production, films, theater, or other presentations, according to Wikipedia. The voiceover is read from a script and may be performed by someone else in the production or by a professional voice. To offer such services, simply create a gig on a freelance network like Fiverr, Upwork, acx.com, or voices.com. Voiceovers from scripts are in high demand, and you can earn anywhere from $20 to $100 depending on the length of the script. The best part is that you can do it in any language you want. Number 3. Testing games and apps. Individuals are continually creating various types of games and applications, and they are searching for people to test these games apps on Android or iOS phones to check if there are any flaws, in exchange for comments and payment. One thing to remember is to stay away from sites that require you to pay to play games, as these are almost always scammers. You may play your favorite games for points that you can redeem for cash or gift cards by going to a reputable site like Mistplay or Gamesville, which is the #1 loyalty program for mobile gamers. Number 4. Selling photos, images. If you're a photographer or just like taking pictures, you can use your phone or camera to capture whatever gorgeous environment you come across, as well as anything thrilling. The photographs can then be resold on a royalty-free photos website such as the one indicated below. 500px, SmugMug Pro, Shutterstock, iStock Photo, Etsy, Getty Images, Stocksy. You'd be shocked how much money such types of photos or graphics may bring in. Number 5. Buying and reselling used products. You can resell stuff you currently have in your closet or garage if you don't need them. Another alternative is to go to garage sales and buy stuff for a low price, then resell them at a higher price on popular sites like eBay or Amazon to make a profit. You can make approximately 5x or 10x the cost of the things, resulting in a significant profit. I hope you enjoyed these 5 best ways to make money online in 2022. For more content like this, please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel. If you want to know more about Make Money Online in 2022, then click the links in the description below. Thank you for watching, and until next time.